friend, it's me, Tinker, and this is Bill the Builder Bot. And today in Tinkerland, we're gonna make our own pirate sword using things that we have around the house. To make our sword, we're gonna use a big piece of cardboard, and we'll draw on it with our black marker. Let's draw our sword shape. We'll start up here and we'll swoop it down, and then we'll come up here, and I'm actually gonna make a little arc, and then come from this point and follow our line and just get a little bit skinnier towards the bottom. Then I'll make a couple of circles and then bring in and make our little handle. And then we're also gonna make another piece. We just wanna make a long oval shape. Put a line here and a line here. This is going to be our hand guard for our handle. Let's cut all of these out with our scissors. Perfect. Now we can add the guard. Let's take our guard piece here, and look, we're just gonna cut on this side up a little bit, and then turn it around and cut on this side up a little bit. And that way we can bend it around like this. And then we'll take our sword here and we can attach it. And we'll just take these little pieces and slip them on right here. And then we want it to protect our fingers, so we'll slip it around right here. Awesome! Now we've got our own pirate sword. And if you want, you can actually add some tape or color it in to make it look a little cooler. Cut this out. There we go. We can add some color to our handle too. So let's add some yellow tape to match our costume. We'll just take some pieces, lay it across here. We'll squish it all down and go all around the sides and edges here. And all we have to do is just cut around the outline like this. We're gonna make this look like metal. So let's actually take some tin foil. See this tin foil? Like a nice long piece. Whoa. And make sure the shiny side is on the bottom. And then let's fold this over a little bit right here. And I'll lay my sword down right here so that it lines up with the piece of tape. Now, we just have to fold over the tin foil onto our cardboard and squish it down. Fold it up here. Now it should stay on, but if it doesn't, you can always put a little piece of tape on here. And now when I hold it up, it looks like it's a metal sword. And we can add our finger guard right here. Wow, this turned out so awesome. It really looks like a metal pirate sword. This will go great with our pirate costume. Come on, let's try it on. Our pirate sword turned out so great. It can be so much fun to dress up and play pretend. So I hope you get out there and make one of your own. Well, it's time for us to go now, but we had so much fun making things with you here in Tinkerland. And if you want to see how we made our pirate hat and pirate coat, you can check out our other videos. Until next time, see you later, friend, and happy making. Hey, the pirate fun doesn't stop there. You can see how Tinker and Bill built a giant pirate island over on the Tinker and Friends YouTube channel. Or check out our other videos where we show you how we made a giant pirate ship out of cardboard boxes and a working cannon that shoots fog. It's all part of our Pirate Week celebration here in Tinkerland, where we'll be building all sorts of new pirate projects and show you tips and tricks so you can make pirate projects at home. There's so much to do and make here on Tinker and Friends. See you there.